Look, this is what it looks like before. This is also what it sounds like before. It's the AWE Touring, so this is what it sounds like with no downpipe. Let's get some red bombs in here.
Huh?
Did that sound good?
Did it sound good? It did. It did sound good.
Alright guys, we made it here to CP Out of Styles. Type R is looking here. It's here. No lowering springs yet. It's all good. Just gonna get a little cold start for you guys. Sounds great.
Noise.
Oh, look, the mic's back there.
It's already scary. Damn. That thing breathes better, huh?
Hell yeah. And we still have a muffler on here.
Well, technically it's not breathing better. It's farting better.
It's already better. That feels good.
Bro, that thing sounds amazing. It actually sounds like a race car now.
It does.
It was too quiet before. Dig.